In WAEC 2019 English Language Objective Past Question 29 under Test of Orals Section 2. Now the instruction is: from the words lettered A to D, choose the words that has the same consonant sound or sounds as the one represented by the letter or letters underlined. So the word given to us is lolly. Now, the letters L and L are underlined. So option A is balm, B is carry, C calcium, D Sam. So first I will transcribe the word given to us and transcribe each of the options so we can see the consonant sound represented by the letters underlined and also the consonant sounds in each of the options. So the word lolly is transcribed this way. So lolly. So option A balm is transcribed this way. Option B carry is transcribed this way. Option C calcium is transcribed this way. Calcium. And option D is Sam, transcribed this way. So we see that the consonant sound represented by the letters LL is this L consonant sound, and we see that it is found in calcium. Therefore the correct answer is C, option C, calcium. So please subscribe to this YouTube channel for more videos and for more past questions and answers. Thank you.